Hi, I'm Andy. I'm here to show you this 7-piece VDE screwdriver set from Brackit. Brilliant to have in your toolbox if you're getting involved with anything electrical because it protects you up to 1000 volts. Okay, let's have a look. So we've got this 7-piece set here comprising of 2 Phillips heads. So you're covering all bases. You've got PH1 and PH2 screwdriver. Lovely soft rubber grip. That's really comfortable, that is. Okay, we've got the slotted screwdrivers as well, going from really big, so we can work on plug sockets, we can work on all sorts of things, probably getting casings off computers, things like that. These heads are also magnetic, so you're not going to lose any little screws if it's more the intricate work. We've got a lovely little one down here. That's really good for the small processors, things like that, getting the little screws off there. Also in this set, we've got a voltage meter, so that's really good. If you touch a live wire, that's got a bulb in, that'll light up just to say it's live. But obviously, as I said earlier, these are all covered to 1000 volts. So if you do touch anything that's live, the screwdriver is going to go pop and not you. Thank you for watching our presentation video today. For more information on a full range of all of our tools and accessories, please visit our website.